Dogecoin value equivalent to 39,040 rands a coin. The present cost range 370, 481, 390, 450. The earlier day close 370, 701. The change was plus 0.339 plus 355%. Opposite rate ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 578 rands. Exorbitant cost 578, while low cost 458. The found the middle value of cost 527. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 493. Change for July 14.7%. Dogecoin estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 493 rands. Exorbitant cost 581, while low cost 493. The found the middle value of cost 528. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 543. Change for August 10.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at 543 rands. Exorbitant cost 674, while low cost 543. They found the middle value of cost 598. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 630. Change for September 16%. Dogecoin gauge for October 2024. To start with cost at 630 rands. Excessive cost 743, while low cost 630. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 674. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 694. Change for October 10.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 694 rands. Excessive cost 766, while low cost 666. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 711. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 716. Change for November 3.2%. Dogecoin conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 716 rands. Excessive cost 778, while low cost 676. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 724. Dogecoin cost figured toward the month's end 727. Change for December 1.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 727 rands. Excessive cost 867, while low cost 727. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 783. Dogecoin cost figured toward the month's end 810. Change for January 11.4%. Dogecoin figure for February 2025. Initially cost at 810 rands. Excessive cost 867, while low cost 753. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 810. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 810. Change for February's %. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 810 rands. Exorbitant cost 810, while low cost 698. They found the middle value of cost 767. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 751. Change for spring 7.3%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at 751 rands. Exorbitant cost 804, while low cost 698. They found the middle value of cost 751. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 751. Change for April 0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 751 rands. Excessive cost 810, while low cost 704. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 756. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 757. Change for May's 8%. Dogecoin figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at 757 rands. Excessive cost 757, while low cost 614. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 697. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 660. Change for June 12.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else cost at 660 rands. Excessive cost 820, while low cost 660. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 727. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 766. Change for July 16.1%. Dogecoin gauge for August 2025. In the first place cost at 766 rands. Exorbitant cost 832, while low cost 724. They found the middle value of cost 775. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 778. Change for August 1.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place cost at 778 rands. Exorbitant cost 845, while low cost 735. They found the middle value of cost 787. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 790, change for September 15%. Dogecoin conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at 790 rands. Excessive cost 980, while low cost 790. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 869. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 916, change for October 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at 916 rands. Excessive cost 1015, while low cost 883. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 941. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 949, change for November 36%. Dogecoin gauge for December 2025. To start with cost at 949 rands. Exorbitant cost 949, while low cost 810. The found the middle value of cost 895. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 871, change for December 82%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at 871 rands. Exorbitant cost 999, while low cost 869. The found the middle value of cost 918. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 934, change for January 72%. Dogecoin gauge for February 2026. In the first place cost at 934 rands. Exorbitant cost 1015, while low cost 883. The found the middle value of cost 945. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 949, change for February 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 949 rands. Exorbitant cost 1031, while low cost 897. The found the middle value of cost 960. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 964, change for spring 16%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2026. To start with cost at 964 rands. Exorbitant cost 964, while low cost 787. The found the middle value of cost 890. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 846, change for April 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at 846 rands. Excessive cost 933, while low cost 811. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 866. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 872, change for May 1%. Dogecoin estimate for June 2026. First and foremost cost at 872 rands. Exorbitant cost 872, while low cost 738. The found the middle value of cost 819. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 794, change for June 89%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2026. At the outset cost at 794 rands. Excessive cost 863, while low cost 751. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 804. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 807, change